Hello friends, today is May 19th. We have received our herbs that we ordered online. Sweet basil, lemon balm, chive and oregano. Since they are small plants, we are going to be planting them together in this container. This is actually a hanging basket, but it is deep enough for these plants. I filled this hanging basket with the raised bed soil. They are already pre-mixed with the fertilizer, so we need not add any extra fertilizer. It says on the bag that the soil is good for 3 months at least without fertilizing. So let's start planting them. We can just loosen up the roots. This is the oregano. The sweet basil. I think they were seed started in peat pellets. Even though they are biodegradable, it is better to remove them, otherwise it will take too long for them to decompose. This is the lemon balm. The sweet basil did not survive. The oregano, chives and lemon balm are growing very well.